One, it's a simple demonstration about the how can I integration and migration users from Excel file spreadsheets to the FOLIO API. In this case, we're talking about just to the follow users. So basically, I create completely from scratch a project working Java and Spring framework. Okay, the idea here it's first of all showing the schema of the main project. Okay, and of course everything is working with tests. Okay, here we have 202 that has been pasted. Okay, and we have two different endpoints. This one it's responsible for the imports user itself, and the second endpoint it's responsible for the upload of the Excel file. In this case, it's possible create a front end to upload the file with the users to has been migrated. And in this case, in this example here, we work with basically with the 100 users to work with this migration. Okay, in this case, only 100 because we don't have much time here. Let me just open this one here. Okay, so basically we have so many users. Okay, 100 listed. Okay, and this one we have a specific uh, uh, address type ID, and the pattern group should be standard for each one of these lists. Okay. In this case, our project will read this Excel file. It's possible to work with CSV, but since a simple approach is the Excel file. So inside of the project, we have a batch process. Okay. And it's possible to read all the files here, all the access here, processor, everything here, and after that, send the result. Okay, basically, it's we started from scratch to read this file. After that, after read, the next step, you'll be a processor. And this one, it's possible to convert from Excel file to the DTO. And here we set everything in our DTO. We check here has been created business rule, okay, just for demonstration. And after that, we have the writer, the processor, the last step. And basically, we take this one and send to the external API here. Okay, here we have FOLIO API. We have the token here. All right, and inside of this guy, it's possible to take this guy. Here we have the final DTO, and after that you send it to the convert to the JSON instance from the DTO to JSON and send it to the API. And here we have API itself with the web client and send from the endpoint users, send with the OCAP token here, and the content type header, it's JSON as well. And here it has been created a business rule for this purpose. Let me click here. We can start from this one is the folio API. We can start the integration from here, or we can create a front end itself and just start the process here. Okay, it's possible to click on tryout and execute. Okay, and after that, in couple seconds, we have here. Okay, all right. We have some bad requests. Oh, come on. We have here, look at that. We have sent some specific items. For example, this guy here, this one, this one, all this one from the Excel file. Let me go back there. Open here. If I click on this guy, it's possible to see Dustin right here, line 50, 51. And if I go to the folio instance, it's possible to see the guy right here. Okay, let's check, for example, double check with the barcode. Let me, and yeah, we have here the barcodes exactly from the same register. Let's check another one. For example, let's see another. Let's see, send successfully. Okay. I'd like to demonstrate now the migration from Stash inside out the Postman. It's possible to see this is very, very, very fast. And if I go into the logs, okay, inside our project, it's possible to see our response. Okay, first of all, let's check it out here. It's possible to see uh, the process starter inside of the reader step. Okay, in this case, the project starts to read the Excel file, take the information from the Excel file, and create our user detail. Okay, with all the information here. And after the read, after the next step, it's the process. Okay. Uh, in this case, we create our detail because we need this extractor, a composer, okay, with the personal and and the personal and the address, right? This one. And inside of the project we created exactly the same structure, right? Right here we have this structure, okay, with the person where we created here, possible to see, and also the address, of course, and the rest of the item, the attributes, it's inside of the this class, and we have um, a string, a list string for the department. After the process, we create this constructor. Here it's possible to create different kind of business rules, like it's possible to see the user is active or inactive, belong to a specific department or not. It's possible to create different business rules inside of this guy. And after the processor, we have the detail from JSON. Okay, it's possible to see creating here everything inside of the JSON schema. All right, right here. Okay, let's see to the end. Uh, to the end here. Cool. And after this one, it's possible to see the successfully. Let's see. After that, it's possible to see successfully sent user. Okay, it's possible to see all this one here. Okay, for example, if I take this guy here and go into the our spreadsheet, try to found. All right, come on, let's go back to the here. Yeah, this guy is here, and here let's try to find out. Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay. If the old Excel file open, but here, okay, it's possible to see the username here. And it's possible to find this guy here inside of the folio. Let's try another one. This guy. Let's try here. He is here. Line number 11. Let's go to the folio. Uh, this guy is here. Let's take another one. Let's try this guy here. Okay. Oh, this data it's fake, but for our that's okay. Here, line 32. Let's go to the folio, and here it's possible. He is here, the same here. Okay, okay. So, so that's it. Thank you.